Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Nissan Leaf battery. We'll cover the essential steps to diagnose and address common issues that affect its performance and range. Many owners experience reduced capacity over time, but there are effective ways to improve your battery's health. We will guide you through understanding the problems and finding practical solutions to extend your electric vehicle's life. Diagnosing your Nissan Leaf battery's health is the crucial first step. You can use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner paired with a smartphone app like Leaf Spy to access detailed battery information. This allows you to monitor key metrics such as the battery's state of health, individual cell voltages, and temperature. Identifying weak or unbalanced cells is vital, as these often contribute to reduced range and overall performance. This diagnostic process helps pinpoint the exact areas needing attention. Once diagnosed, several repair options exist for your Nissan Leaf battery. One common approach involves replacing individual weak cells or entire modules within the battery pack. Rebalancing the voltage across all cells can also significantly improve the pack's overall performance and extend its usable range. For more extensive issues, professional services can offer module replacement or even full pack upgrades. Always prioritize safety and consult experts when dealing with high-voltage components. To maximize your Nissan Leaf battery's lifespan, adopt smart charging habits. Try to avoid frequent fast charging, as this can accelerate degradation over time. Ideally, keep your battery's state of charge between 20% and 80% for daily use. Minimizing exposure to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, also helps preserve battery health. Regular monitoring of your battery's condition allows you to address any potential issues proactively, ensuring many more years of reliable driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.